Okay, so during the previous discussion regarding qualitative research, we identified or we defined what qualitative research is. So qualitative research is a type of research that is non-quantitative, meaning to say it does not use numerical data, and also it does not make use of statistics. And its data is in the form of words derived from transcribing. Now, we are ready to discuss the four main types of qualitative research. So, the four main types of qualitative research, we have, number one, case study. Number two, we have ethnography. Number three, we have phenomenology. Phenomenology. And number four, we have historical. So, the four main types of qualitative research mainly concerns or mainly uses, okay, it mainly concerns itself with the study of anthropology. Anthropology. So whenever we say anthropology, well, anthropology is basically the science, okay, or the study of human beings, their nature, okay, and their ancestors. So continuing with our discussion, we have these four main types. Okay, we enumerated these four main types. Let's start first with the case study. So in the essence of case study aims to study the behavior, and also it also studied the attitudes of human beings. So that is the main goal or the main purpose of case study. Now, when it comes to ethnography, okay, it aims to study, ethnography aims to study ethnic groups. So meaning to say how the ethnic groups live, how their culture differs from other groups. So in doing this kind of qualitative research, okay, there should have an intimate, when we say intimate close, there should have an intimate relationship, okay, between the researcher and the respondents, okay, in order for them to study their culture thoroughly. So why is there a need of an intimate relationship between the researcher and the respondents? So that the researcher will be able to identify the culture of the ethnic groups in a thorough manner. So how can they have an intimate relationship? It means that the researchers may have to live with the ethnic groups. Okay, with the ethnic groups. So that is the main essence of ethnography. Now, in terms of phenomenology, okay, this qualitative research studies, okay, it studies the experiences of an individual. So phenomenology could be the study about the emotions. So emotions like joy, love, and also relationships like friendships, okay, successes, and failures in life. So it studies the different experiences of the human being. Okay, and how does it affect them? So Lastly, we have historical research. So historical research as a type of qualitative research studies, okay, the past events in the human nature and history. Okay, human nature and history. So that is, or these are the four main types of qualitative research. Case study, which it aims to study the behavior and attitudes of human beings. Ethnography, which it aims to study the ethnic groups and their culture, in which the researcher have to live with the ethnic groups for them to be able to have an intimate relationship. Then phenomenology, the study of experiences of an individual, and that experiences may be derived from the experiences of joy, love, friendship, success, and failures. And lastly, historical research, which studies the past events in the human nature and human history. And also, qualitative research revolves around the study of anthropology. So that would be the conclusion for our discussion about qualitative research. So for our next video presentations, we are now about to discuss quantitative research. Okay, so for quantitative research, we will just first have an overview, then it will be discussed even further in our next video presentations.